Have you ever dreamed of making money while building your email list? Well, today I'm going to share with you how to get paid $550 just for doing that. Yes, you heard that right. Building your list can actually put cash in your pocket. First, let's talk about the importance of an email list. An email list is your direct line to your audience, allowing you to connect, engage, and ultimately sell your products or services. But how can you get paid while you build this essential asset? It's simple. There are companies out there willing to pay you for your efforts in list building. One of the most effective ways to get started is by partnering with affiliate programs that offer commissions for leads you generate. By promoting their products and driving traffic to their sign-up pages, you'll earn cash for every new subscriber that joins their mailing list through your unique referral link. Imagine promoting a product you love and, in return, getting a $550 paycheck as you build your own list on the side. It's a win-win situation where you benefit financially while connecting your audience with valuable resources. So what's the next step? Research the best affiliate programs in your niche, start promoting their offers, and watch your email list and bank account grow. With the right strategies, you can effortlessly create a sustainable income stream while building that all-important email list.